Myself, Aliriza Abdul Gafoor. I am the founder, chairman, and CEO of Aliriza Group. We are a multinational technology conglomerate focusing on robotics, artificial intelligence, and exploring the possibilities and importance of social robots today. Who we are. Aliriza Group was established in 2007 when I was a school student. When I was just studying in my +2, when I was a school student, I identified a common man's problem there in Kerala, India. That was like plucking coconuts was very difficult during that time. And I am talking about 17 years back. That time, even drones were not common. That time, I have executed India's world's first of its kind robotic drone, which can fly up to the coconut tree and pluck the coconut. And after that, me and my team, we have done a lot of robotics projects across the globe. And during the COVID time, here in UAE, we have implemented robots for Dubai Health Authority. After that, we have identified that the leading, since our motto is to be a leading smart machines and robotics company in the world, leading provider of robotics and smart machines company in the world, we executed projects for multiple companies across the globe. So now, today, I'm going to introduce you about the Roboverse concept. Roboverse means the concept of metaverse has been capturing the attention of the tech industry and beyond, but the Roboverse is already here. So our RISA robots, it can interact with people in different way. So I will just introduce you to the RISA robots. We just turn it off just to show you how the robots will turn on and interact with each people. This robot's name is RISA. RISA means Robotic Interactive Smart Assistant. As you all know, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. So, RISA robots are integrated with cutting-edge artificial integration. So it can connect the Wi-Fi by itself, it can open the media by itself, everything can be done by itself. And since you know about the metaverse, the Roboverse is like one of the most promising development in the Roboverse is the emergence of social and communicative robots like the RISA robots. RISA robots can communicate and interact with people as well as they can communicate each other. Also, if we have integrated it to a smart city or a project like education campus, it can interact with all IoT devices which is integrated in the smart city solution. So it's a complete Roboverse universe which we are creating. RISA robots are designed to interact with humans in a social and communicative way, providing emotional support and companionship, meaning it can even identify people's face. It can even identify age group, ethnicity, and whatever you require, the robot can be trained using our own application. Now, the RISA robot, what are this device? Social and communicative robotic device equipped with sensors, actuators, and AI algorithm. These robots can work with multiple AI algorithms, including ChatGPT, the open AI thing, which is most common nowadays. So any kind of AI algorithms can be integrated with this platform. We have made this platform called iPal platform, which was developed by our Chief Robotics Officer, Dr. John Ostrom, he is in the US. We have a team of 12 members in the US, 12 members of researchers who develop the technology for the ecosystem. These robots can provide emotional support and companionship. For example, autistic kids with autism, can be trained using the behavioral intelligence of RISA robots. Then the robot can be used in homes, the robots can be used in schools, hospitals, and public spaces. Meaning, even in a public space, if the robot can interact with you in a personalized manner, you can talk to the robot in your own language. The thing is that 150 plus languages the robot can be integrated, and in Arabic itself, all the dialects can be integrated. Languages like Indian languages has different dialects, even Arabic has different dialects. Example, Emirati dialect is there. For example, Saudi dialect is there, Egyptian dialect is there. All kind of dialects can be integrated with the robot, and the robot can interact based on the dialect. That's the main use case of this kind of robots. The utilization of robotic interactive smart assistant robots at events, birthday parties, and exhibitions hold significant value and benefit. RISA robots have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good. For example, this robot can interact with kids in, for example, we have executed this robot during Sharjah Book Fair, and this robot was interacting with kids and people in different way. We are having the demonstration outside, so after the session, you can see the detailed video and how the robots was integrated significantly in the Sharjah Book Fair. Our goals as a company, Aliriza Group as a company, our goals is expand market presence through new regions and customer segments. Currently, our customer segments are governments, healthcare, education, and hospitality. But now we are moving on to more bigger segments. So any kind of partnership and any kind of association, we are open, because this platform can derive in such a way where anyone can use this robot. Develop innovative and cutting-edge robotic solutions. We have a platform where anyone can come in and develop their own solutions on top of our robots, as well as they can redesign according to their use cases. If you need the robot 6 foot tall, that can be done. If you want the robot in a real human kind of shape, that is also can be done. Not only this type of robot or this shape of robots we are doing, any kind of use case of any kind of interaction and behavioral intelligence can be done by Aliriza Group as a company. Enhance customer satisfaction with exceptional service and timely delivery. Our main goal is to enhance the customer satisfaction with exceptional service and timely delivery. Currently, if you want to buy a robot, the main issue is that you can buy a robot on Alibaba or platforms like that from China. But these robots will not work properly in any ecosystems or in different countries. But we have an ecosystem where people can buy the robots, and we are soon launching a platform where people can buy the robots and sell the robots, as well as different kind of solutions as they wish. Then, for that, our one other goal is strengthen partnerships and collaborations for knowledge sharing and market access. Foster a culture of innovation and talent development across the globe. Currently, now I will introduce you to our management team. The management team of Aliriza Robotics and Smart Machines Trading LLC consists of experienced professionals with diverse backgrounds in robotics, engineering, finance, and marketing. Myself, Aliriza Abdul Gafoor. I'm the founder, chairman, and CEO of Aliriza Group, and Mr. Shanmugasundaram Kirubaharan. He's the managing director and chief financial officer of the group. And we have Jeff Coulson. He's the Chief Operating Officer of the company. He's bringing in 30+ years of experience. I forgot even our managing director, Mr. Shanmuga Sundar Kirubaharan, is bringing in 30 years of experience, as well as he's a citizen of UK for past 25+ years. So like that, we have Mr. Jeff Coulson, who is from the US, and we have Ahmed Abdul Al-Nawais as the Chief Marketing Officer. We have Dr. John Ostrom as the Chief Robotics Officer, and we have Abdullah Yusuf Al-Ali as the VP for Business Development, and Mr. Nidin Raj is the Director of Administration, and Mr. Agil Raj, Director of Digital Marketing. Thank you. That's all about the presentation. Now I will be introducing you to the robots and the capability of the robots as a RISA robot as a platform. First, I will introduce you how the robot will recognize a person and move by itself. This interface has multiple use cases where the robot can be programmed for multiple use cases. For example, now I am putting the robot into follow me mode. Follow me mode meaning it can identify the people's face and it will move by itself. This is called facial data recognition. Now the robot is looking at me and identifying me. We have muted the voice of the robot right now since multiple robots are there in the this thing. One sec. Now it's identifying my face. You can see a red dot on my face where the robot is interacting with me, my facial data, and it's also identifying the entire environment while moving. Now it has identified there is an obstacle, there is another robot near to him. Now it's identifying how I am moving, and based on that, it's connecting to the cloud and interacting. You are moving slowly, it's telling. I will do one thing, I will increase the volume for you. Okay.
Where did you go? Come back.
Where did you go? Come back.
Start moving slowly, and I will follow you.
Now I'm moving slowly, and he's following me. When this robot is moving, the other robots is identifying how it's moving as well as the entire environment. Now it's identifying me and coming to me. Then it has equipped with touch sensors where you can even turn off the robot.
I'll take a short rest to refresh my system.
You can turn off the robot with just a touch. So it has touch sensors where I can turn on the robot.
Where did you go? Come back.
With just a touch. Also, it has multiple interfaces. If you touch the robot's each body parts, it has different kind of interactive audios which we have integrated. Like that, you can have personalized robot. Like you can train the robot as per your requirement. Like it will be integrated with your own intelligence or your own emotions, because it has machine intelligence where it can learn by itself how the person is interacting with a person or with the multiple people and environment. Now I am showing you how the robot is doing a presentation of the company itself. We can We can have a audio and video interactive education video on the robot. So the robot will, even the volume is enough to.
Aliriza Group is a multinational technology conglomerate specializing in future trends.
Can I get a mic?
Robotics, long-range planning, and creating the preferred future, creating the next
Mic.
generation of technology with artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, AIoT. Aliriza Group is a multinational technology conglomerate based in Dubai.
Thank you.
Building products and services that are creating revolutionary changes in the world. Offering world-class quality solutions on artificial intelligence,
Apart from the moment,
blockchain, web and cloud
it can
application
interact with
solutions,
videos and the
mobile
same.
applications and software solutions and services for various industries, including hospitality, education, healthcare, media, and online services. With the use of the newest technologies and expertise of the team, Aliriza Group supports the development of futuristic products and services from feasibility studies to prototyping. Our solutions are capable of working in a variety of scenarios such as cafes, hotels, offices, hospitals, schools, and are aimed at up-leveling the world of robotics and the life of many.
So any languages or any kind of interaction can be trained on the robot, and we have a operating system which can interact with multiple ecosystems. It can work on Apple ecosystem, it can work on Android ecosystem, and it can work on ROS ecosystem as well. So the RISA robot is equipped with multiple devices and solutions, and it can interact with even Amazon Alexa or IoT devices in our homes. So they provide emotional support and companionship. Now I am going to demonstrate you how the robot can interact with a kid, how the robot can interact with a kid and show them, teach them Arabic alphabet with the help of a song. So this is for the kids interaction. The same thing, it can even do rock, paper, scissors, games like that. It can even program with applications where the robot can interact with autistic kids in an emotionally intelligent manner. Then the robot can be used in homes, schools, hospitals, and public spaces as well. In hospitals, the robot can be integrated with the front office and the doctor's computer, where a doctor can identify a person before he entering to the consultation room itself. Then we can use the robot in homes as a home personal assistant as well as home assistant. So before you coming to the home itself, you can text to the robot and tell, I need pizza or something, and I need the room temperature in this degree Celsius. Such kind of message, you can chat with the robot, and the robot will do as per your requirement before you reach the home itself. Then it can be used in schools where you can interact. You can set up labs where the robots can be assembled by the kids by themselves, and they can integrate their own solutions in schools. Then the robot can be used in public spaces as an interactive robot where it can communicate with the people as well as interact in different manner, as well as connect that data based on the user data. It can be connected with our AI platform to interact as well as execute in different use cases. So that's all about the robot. If you have any doubts, I'm open to answer.